everybody, my name is Kiara Jaju. I am 9 years old and I study in Podar O.R.T International School. Today I am going to be reading a book to you all called The New Road, written by Fiske Serah Nyirongo and illustrated by Nicodemus Silingo, published by Bookdash. Chapansi and her best friend Luano love collecting inswa. They love playing on the old dirt road, even if Mama would tisk because the stones hurt their feet. One day, big cars arrive. Mama calls them caterpillars. They cover the road in black stuff. Mama calls it tar. The road is smooth now, like walking on a mattress. But when Chapansi and Luano go out on the road to catch inswa, they can only catch 3. Chapansi used to love playing Chiato with Luana. But there were no more stones to play with on the road. Chapansi is worried. What if inswa can't breathe anymore? Chapansi kicks the road. Chapansi goes to Mama. Don't be sad, my child. Inswa will always find a way out, she says. One rainy day, Luano comes running out to Chapansi's house. Inswa is back, he says. Inswa is back. It defeated the road. Mama was right after all. Thank you.